5 foods that can help improve your gut health. Some people experience gastrointestinal issues like gas bloating every other day, and the reason behind this is their poor gut health. In this video today, I will be sharing very powerful techniques to address all issues related to the gut, along with discussing 5 significant foods that, when included in your diet, will keep your gut healthy and also aid in weight loss. So first of all, let's understand what gut health is and its role. It starts from the mouth, then moves through the stomach, small and large intestines, rectum, and anus, collectively known as the digestive tract. From breaking down food to nutrient absorption in the body, the hero of gut health is the gut. The gut contains microorganisms called the gut microbiome, and collectively, they all contribute to our overall health, weight, immunity, and hence it is said that good health starts in the gut. Now, let's understand the science behind unhealthy gut. Some people frequently suffer from stomach issues such as gas, acidity, vomiting, constipation, diarrhea, or sudden shifts between normal and abnormal bowel movements. The gut also has a direct relation to skin-related issues like acne, which is triggered by specific food intolerances, meaning a sudden upset stomach due to a specific food. Their immunity tends to be low, making them susceptible to catching cold infections quickly. This might mean that their gut health is not good. So let's understand the reasons behind poor gut health. Firstly, consuming excessive processed food, sugar, or unhealthy fats can deteriorate gut health. Secondly, excessive use of antibiotics can kill beneficial bacteria, leading to digestive problems. Another cause is stress and anxiety, as they disrupt the balance of gut microbiome. Also, lack of sleep and irregular sleep patterns can affect gut health, leading to digestive issues. As time progresses, the count of these gut bacteria tends to decrease, causing people trouble in digesting healthy meals. However, the 4 techniques I'm about to share can help restore the unhealthy gut to a healthy state. For now, let's understand what Ayurveda says about gut health. Ayurveda has different approaches to focus on gut health, such as Agni, which means digestive fire responsible for breaking down food so that the body can receive nutrients. It's believed that when Agni is strong, digestion remains good, while weak Agni leads to poor digestion and the food becomes toxins in the body. Some Ayurvedic herbs are specifically used to promote gut health, like Triphala, made from 3 fruits, Amla, Bibitaki, and Haritaki. Triphala promotes gut health, so it's clear that the gut plays a significant role in our overall health. Now, let's explore foods that improve gut health. Our gut has 2 kinds of bacteria: good bacteria and bad bacteria. Good bacteria are beneficial, while bad bacteria are harmful. Consuming a diet that supports good bacteria and diminishes bad bacteria is crucial. Fermented foods provide the most help for this purpose. Foods that undergo fermentation, like yogurt, idli, dosa, sourdough bread, contain live probiotic bacteria, increasing the number of good bacteria. However, I want to issue a disclaimer here. Nowadays, I'm observing many quick recipes like instant dosa, where yogurt is added to semolina with baking powder or baking soda, and within 10 minutes, your quick dosa is ready. While the dosa is made, it's not fermented. To ferment it, you need to keep the batter at a warm temperature for a few hours so that bacterial fermentation. Similarly, pickles or congee are fermented for both taste and fermentation purposes. Next on the list are prebiotic foods, which support good bacteria. These include onions, garlic, apples, oats, and jaggery. Consuming these in your diet improves digestion and boosts immunity. High-fiber foods such as whole grains, fruits, vegetables, nuts regulate our movements and support good bacteria. For individuals facing constipation issues, these foods are highly beneficial. Fourthly, we have omega-3 rich foods like walnuts, which help reduce bad bacteria count. These foods are also excellent for heart health and various brain-related functions like memory and mood. They help improve omega-3 levels in the body. Lastly, polyphenols, found in foods like berries, dark chocolate, and green tea, support good bacteria growth and reduce bad bacteria in the gut. Foods also have anti-aging effects, so incorporating probiotics, prebiotics, fiber-rich foods, omega-3 rich foods, and polyphenol-rich foods into your diet can help resolve maximum gut-related problems. Let me share some fun recipes with you that you can incorporate into your daily routine using these foods. Firstly, overnight oats can include chia seeds, apples, berries, and a sprinkle of honey on top. Then there's the Denny Yogurt Parfait, where you can add fruits and nuts to yogurt, making it a great breakfast option. You can make multigrain idlis by fermenting different types of lentils and grains, resulting in a soft dosa. If you're a non-vegetarian, you can have a vegetable omelet with multigrain bread or chicken fried rice with brown rice. These recipes are quite healthy for the gut. Before we move on to the 4R techniques, I'd like to share some additional tips that are crucial for gut health. Our gut is connected to our brain, nervous system, and various biochemical signals. Whenever we experience excessive stress, it can affect our gut in different ways. You might have noticed that when stressed, our digestion doesn't work properly. Therefore, practicing yoga, meditation, and deep breathing can help reduce stress, making our gut healthier. Another important tip is having a proper and adequate sleep, because disrupted sleep affects our gut health significantly. On days when we don't get enough sleep, our digestion is affected, leading to various stomach-related problems. Right, one more tip is, when good gut bacteria reside in a clean and hydrated environment, they function optimally, aiding the digestion process. Thus, maintaining proper hydration also supports a healthy gut. Next is physical activity, crucial for individuals who are less physically active as their gut motility decreases. Gut motility refers to the movement of food within your system. If food doesn't move properly, it won't digest well, leading to gas buildup and various problems. Therefore, continuous movement in the body is crucial for digestion. Engaging in any form of physical activity, such as jogging or exercising, enhances gut motility. Now let's move on to the 4R technique, which is very helpful for individuals experiencing digestive issues. It's 100% natural and practiced by gastroenterologists and dermatologists. Its long-term benefits include not only improved digestion, but also support for fat loss. The first R is removal, which involves eliminating foods that cause inflammation from the diet for 3 to several weeks. These are foods that some people might be allergic to, such as wheat, dairy, or sugar. Second R is replacement, substituting foods that generate inflammatory responses with foods that support digestive enzymes in the body. Instead, you can replace them with foods that aid digestive enzymes growth, like gluten-free grains instead of wheat, brown rice instead of white rice, or fiber-rich vegetables like cabbage instead of processed foods like chips. This, for instance, opting for plant-based products instead of dairy, or using fruits like bananas or water-rich fruits instead of mangoes or grapes. Additionally, replacing unhealthy fats like those in chips with healthy fats like nuts or coconut oil. Moving on to the third R, reinoculation involves adding the 5 types of foods mentioned earlier into your daily diet for 6 to 12 weeks. It's essential to follow these replacements diligently. Lastly, the fourth R is repair, which involves including omega-3 and omega-6 foods, zinc-rich foods like lentils, nuts, beans, eggs, and whole grains, along with anti-inflammatory spices like cinnamon and turmeric in the diet. This 4R approach can completely fix digestive issues and related problems, including allergies. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications for future updates. See you in the next video.